to our Horizons webinar with Helios Consulting. My name is Marilyn Joshi, and I'm a partner manager here at Workday. I'm very excited to introduce Helios. They've been in our ecosystem since 2018, and today we are doubling down on our Horizons program, the first ever Workday Apprenticeship program within our ecosystem.
So I think we'll give you a high level how the program itself works. I think you've seen the results and really what an accelerator it can be for both our associates as well as partners. In simple terms, we recruit, select, and hire really highly capable talent that's aspiring to join the ecosystem with a partner. And then upon joining that partner, they engage in client projects and are delivering billable work right away.
My very first project was a global biotech implementation with a September go live, and within the first month I was creating over 300 end-to-end test cases across every functional area, HCM, payroll, benefits, and integrations, and as well as doing that, facilitated in-person training or testing kickoff events where I demoed some key processes and guided teams through testing.
I started by supporting multiple HCM implementation projects, as I mentioned before. Within weeks, I was working on projects where I was tracking test statuses, reworking configurations for failed tests, and providing instructions to clients. Soon after, I was managing initial configurations, troubleshooting issues with my leads and architects, and independently handling security roles, business processes, and integrations.
Just how quickly Travis became an independent contributor. Within the first couple weeks, what impressed me is that he was able to grab on so quickly that you look at this 80 plus post-production client requests that came in. That was within the first few weeks that he was there. That's the Workday knowledge that he brought to the table for this SI. You know, I talk about his quick success, but he also rose up to the challenge of a client that said, hey, I need a way to track our ServiceNow tickets and audit those against Workday tenant changes. Not only did he build one solution, but he built a second solution or a second report that monitored the compliance of the progress of these tickets.
We've seen examples of associates come out of the program who are, leading payroll a year out on a client team. We've seen them in lead roles in consulting organizations. So we know they have the skills and experience to be successful and be proficient in a number of roles as you heard about here today.